Good everybody, Colin here with Techout, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use custom icons on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. This of course will apply to basically any Samsung Galaxy device running One UI that is compatible with Samsung Good Lock, and that's what you're going to need to enable the ability to use custom icons. And of course this only applies to the One UI launcher. If you're using a custom launcher, you can probably do your custom icon packs through your custom launcher. So this only applies to the default Samsung launcher. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go to the Galaxy Store, not the Play Store, the Galaxy Store, and download Good Lock. And then once you open up Good Lock, you'll see all these different modules here. I already have it installed, but the one you're going to be looking for this is going to be called Theme Park. And we're going to open this up. And obviously you're already going to need to download the icon pack of your choice from the Play Store, so just download that as you normally would from the Play Store. And then what you need to do is you can do a bunch of other stuff here. You can do themes, keyboard themes, quick panel themes, all a bunch of different kind of stuff, but you're going to be looking for the icon themes down here on the bottom, and then you're going to want to click Create New. And when you do this, you're going to want to check and choose your wallpaper as well, because what this is going to do is it's going to reset everything and create a custom home screen theme, which is going to include the wallpaper. So we're going to do the third-party icon pack right here, and you can see it's going to load that up. I thought we could change the wallpaper in here, but maybe we can't. So we're just going to name this Dove Dark, which is the name of the icon pack I'm using. So that's what we'll name this. There we can see it right here. So we have one of the ones I was editing. We'll just get rid of that. Oop. Maybe. We'll just leave that there. We'll just choose apply for that one, and you can see it's going to apply the icons. Alright, and we didn't lose our wallpaper, so that is good. It saved the same wallpaper. So there you go. You can see we have our dark icons. It even does the ones in the folder. Of course, some of the icons aren't available, but it does all the ones that are available. The only downside to this is any dynamic icons like your calendar, clock, anything that changes, they will not update anymore. So like your calendar app isn't going to display the correct date as it would with just the regular icon. And if you download any new applications, they're not going to automatically apply the new icon to it. You're going to have to go back into Good Lock, and you're going to have to choose this, and you're going to have to edit it, and just choose the icon pack again and then reapply it. So anytime you download a new application or an application updates its icon, you're going to have to reapply the icon pack to get that new icon on there. It's not going to change on the fly. So that's the only downside to this, is they are not dynamic, and they will not automatically take the icon from the icon pack on newly downloaded applications. But that's how you can do that on your Samsung Galaxy with Good Lock and Theme Park. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.